Hi guys, Fluff here and welcome back to techbeatph.com, and today we're going to do our first impression and unboxing of the Realme C55. It's been a while since we did an unboxing and first impression of Realme's new phones, so do stick around the video and see if this is the right phone for you and watch our unboxing.
First of all, we would like to thank our Realme family for letting us unbox the Realme C55. Let's open the box. Opening the top cover, we can see the different documentation, the SIM removal tool, and the gel protective case that comes with it. Next, we have the phone. Let's set that aside for now. Below the phone, we get a fast charger and the charging cable. Now let's look at the phone. Looking at the phone, it comes with all the buttons and features we come to expect from the phone. It has the volume toggle button on the side, a headphone jack, a USB charging port, and a fingerprint detector also located at the right side of the phone looking at the screen. The phone feels premium to the touch. The display is nice and bright even outdoors. The screen is smooth to the touch, very responsive.
So there you have it guys, our unboxing and first impressions of the new Realme C55 phone. We will be doing a detailed review soon. We have noticed that a lot of you guys who are viewing this channel are not yet subscribed, so it will be a big help to us if you can click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more from techbeatph.com.
Yeah.